as always, Vivek is standing by on the wall to tell you through every mover and shaker of today's session. Vivek.
Well, that's right. Very choppy session, like you mentioned, not managing to end in the green, but a very volatile trading session in line with the fact that generally during expiry sessions like today, you do see quite a bit of volatility that does creep in. In terms of individual stocks, individual sectors that did quite well, have a look at the entire pharma pack. Quite a bit of a rebound across most of the names. A little bit of a sell-off towards the end of the session, but names like Wockhardt, Zydus Life managed to hold on in the positive territory throughout the trading session. Sammaan Capital, this particular name from the broad end of the market, saw almost 13.5% higher among the top F&O gainers in the session today. The entire PSU basket saw buying activity, significant buying. In fact, look at names like MRPL, HPCL, IOC, all of these stocks higher anywhere between 2.5% to 5%. Bandhan Bank, this particular stock, especially in the last hour of the session, saw significant up move, higher by almost 4%. And Westlife Food, one of the top gainers as far as the NSE 500 was concerned, with a good volume spike as well seen as far as Westlife Food cooled off a little bit. But this particular name did see significant volume action, especially in the last half hour or so. On the other hand, quite a few laggards as well. Most of the EMS players, saw significant selling pressure. Have a look at Dixon Tech, Keynes Tech down anywhere between 3.5% to 5%. Have a look at shipbuilders. Most of these names cooled off quite significantly. Cochin Shipyard amongst the top laggards today. Jindal Stainless, one of the top laggards as far as the NSE 500 was concerned. And Axis Bank, on a day where you actually saw the Bank Nifty doing reasonably well, especially PSU stocks, Axis Bank, one of the top laggards today.
All right, some interesting names there, big movers in the markets. Thank you so much, Vivek, for joining us with all those details.